hello developers. In this video, we will learn about function expressions. So, function expressions are used to assign a function to a variable, making a function available through that variable. Okay. So, function expressions are not hoisted to the top of the scope. Means we cannot call the function before its declaration. Also, it is an example of anonymous function, that is function without name. So, anonymous function is that function which do not have any name. So, we will learn it with some basic examples. Okay. So, firstly, we will make function expression. Function expression. We can say hello. Is to function. Console. Hello everyone. So this is function expression. Why it is function expression? We have said it in the first point, like function expressions are used to assign a function to a variable. So this is the function, we are assigning it to a variable. Variable name is say hello. So this is the function expression. We are assigning function to a variable so that we can make a function available through that variables. So this say hello variable, we can use it in anywhere to call that function. Okay. Also, there is a concept, function expressions are not hoisted to the top of their scope. Means we cannot call the function before its declaration. So hosting never works in function declaration. Okay. So we are calling the function after it's assigned. It is assigned here. Now we are calling it here. Say hello. So in this case, output will be hello everyone. Everyone. Okay. We can check it in the terminal also. Here we will give the file name. So in the output, in the terminal, output will be hello everyone. Okay. So what if we call this function before its declaration? Okay. Before its expression, say before it's assigned. So what will be the output here? Can you guess? So the output will be cannot access say hello function before its initialization. Reference error will be there. Why? Because we just said function expressions are not hosted to the top of the scope. Means hosting will never work in function expression. So reference error will be there. Okay. So this is the concept of function expressions. So a function expression is a way to create a function and assign it to a variable. Create a function and assign it to a variable. So unlike function declarations, function expressions are not hoisted. It means we cannot call the function before it's defined in the code. So here we are calling the function before it's defined. So it is giving reference error. Okay. So this is the concept of function expressions in JavaScript.